Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through two types of cotton sarees. The first one you are seeing is a pure linen cotton sarees. The fabric in these sarees we have used is LIVA certified, and this material is very soft and comfortable to wear and be a perfect choice for this summer season. Tie and dye or shibori prints are there running all over the body part, along with tassels attached pallu and running blouse. The saree length is 6.5 meter, and these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 990 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And moving to the second set you are seeing is a pure Ghicha khadi cotton sarees along with tassel attached rich pallu and running blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 770 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. Also, you can join our WhatsApp group. The links are given in the description. Thank you for watching.